Everybody was expecting that it was gonna happen like Irma, but Maria went south.
The first pictures now coming in from Puerto Rico after taking a direct hit. Hurricane Maria slamming into the island, and as you heard, one official saying the island is destroyed.
On September 20th, 2017, Hurricane Maria slammed into the coast of Puerto Rico. Over the course of 12 hours, the island saw gusts of wind as high as 155 miles per hour. Some places saw rainfall of 20 inches or more, and when it was all over, the entire island was left without power. It was the worst storm to hit the island in over 85 years.
Tapamos todo. Todo. Tapamos todo de adentro. Y a la mañana cuando la cosa se calmó, volvimos para casa. Ya se había ido la cobija y todo. Abajo toditos. Todo, todo.
Abajo.
Bien malo, bien feo. Abajo todavía es un poquito una de las ventanas y eso, el ruido del viento. Nosotros vimos cine volando.
The water that it picks up is seawater. So when that hits the ground, it burns. Most of our trees destroyed, plantations, agriculture. Experienced like 8 to 10 hours constant wind, floods, water. It's crazy.
It was unlike anything anyone had ever seen before. Houses completely destroyed, entire hillsides ripped from their roots, communities completely demolished. As of the filming of this video, the updated death toll from the storm is 2,975 people. Before you even land, the devastation from September 2017 is apparent.
Yeah, as we flew in, there was like all these blue tarps. You could still see them from the airplane. It's 10 months out.
When Maria first hit, organizations like FEMA rushed to the immediate aid, providing among other necessities, blue tarps to serve as makeshift roofs while people rebuild. All the images you're seeing were taken in July of 2018. Can you imagine a full year living under a couple centimeters of plastic? Past that, busy intersections don't have working traffic lights. There are stop signs completely wrapped around poles, street lights bent in half, cars sit rusty and useless, businesses simply unable to repair the damage. Some communities still don't have power. The small community of Jajome didn't get power back until July.
And what we saw there, we could not imagine. We saw houses totally moved.
We were working in Jajome this week. They got power 3 weeks ago. That happened in the fall of 2017, and to think 9 months on a generator.
I can truly say that 30% of people, they haven't even been connected yet.
Back in the US, save for a couple big headlines in the beginning, Puerto Rico was largely forgotten about. As we went about our busy lives, Puerto Rican struggles didn't end. News stations moved on, and so did we.
It's very easy to, in our day and age, to be able to listen to news and then kind of forget about it. We're on to the next tragedy, but this is one that just lives on.
One organization that has had a constant presence on the island for the past 10 years is group mission trips. In that time, GMT has sent over 5,000 volunteers to Puerto Rico. They come from all over the country to help with a wide range of things, including painting, clearing debris, fixing roofs, building decks, and just showing the Puerto Rican people that they haven't been forgotten. Since the storm, their efforts have been nearly doubled.
There's not enough resources to do what needs to be done. So we just come here, and we're not trying to do what they can't or to fix their problems. We're just trying to say, it takes more than one person to build a roof. These are our fellow U.S. citizens. So coming here and showing that, you're hundreds of miles away from where we live, but there's no reason that we can't help our brothers and sisters. And I'm not a builder. I'm not going to go and build a house for them, but I can work alongside them and show them that whatever skills I have, the love that I have for them is real. We're one big family.
With the help of local community leaders and faith communities, they've changed the lives of countless families. and have made a far-reaching impact that extends not only when groups are there, but year-round, 365 days a year.
Putting a roof on somebody's home, awesome. Painting their home, just giving them a little bit of a fresh start, really cool. But the relationships that you get to build, the people you get to meet, the culture you get to experience is life-changing, and not just for the people here in Puerto Rico that you get to interact with, but especially the people that come on the trip. And you get to come and meet people that are so welcoming, that have been through crazy situations and yet are still willing to let you into their home and share their story. It's about the people.
Puerto Rico is one of the most stunning places on planet Earth. The people are warm, welcoming, and since it's part of the United States, you don't need a passport to get there. They need us, and it starts with you.
So if there's a way that you could come, make it happen. We'll be waiting. We need you.